Good morning, students. Let's pledge. I, Suman, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all time the risks to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all the necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Today we will revise chapter 1. Evolution of computer. So, in evolution of computer we have read about the early calculating devices, abacus, Napier's bone, Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine, and tabulating machines. These are the early calculating devices. Okay. And see, pioneers of modern computer, जिन्होंने modern computer की नींव रखी, see Charles Babbage, Augusta Ada Lovelace, John von Neumann, Alan Turing, and Grace Hopper. These are the pioneers who gave us the base or foundation of modern computer. Okay, and one of them, Charles Babbage, also known as the father of computer, है ना? So let's revise the exercises. Okay, see, which of the following devices was invented by the Chinese to count large number? It's A, abacus. Abacus is the device invented by the Chinese to count large numbers. Okay. Next, see, who developed the Pascaline? Yes, it's Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal developed the early calculating device named Pascaline. Okay. Next, in which form the input was fed into tabulating machine? Tabulating machine में input हम कैसे enter करते हैं, ठीक है? In the form of D, punched cards. Okay? In the form of punched cards, input was fed into tabulating machines. Okay? Next, who is known as the father of computers? It's D, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage known as the father of computer because Charles Babbage ने बच्चे एनालिटिकल इंजन डेवलप किया और एनालिटिकल इंजन ही वो फाउंडेशन था जिसके बेस पे मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर डिजाइन किया गया. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई चार्ल्स बैबेज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. सी, which of the following was the first electronic computer developed in 1946? See, the first electronic computer developed in 1946. It's C, ENIAC. ENIAC was the first electronic computer developed in 1946. Okay, now fill in the blanks. C, and dash was mainly used by the merchants to perform the basic calculations. Yes, and abacus was mainly used by the merchants to perform the basic calculations. Okay, next, the dash was the calculating unit in the analytical engine. The mill was the calculating unit in the analytical engine. Okay. Next, the paper cards containing several punched holes. The paper cards containing several punched holes to represent data is punched cards. It is punched cards, okay, which has several punched holes to represent data. Next, the dash was invented by Herman Hollerith. Herman Hollerith ने कौन सी अर्ली कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस इन्वेंट की थी? इट्स tabulating machine. The tabulating machine was invented by Herman Hollerith. Okay. Next is the ability to perform different types of tasks is called dash. The ability to perform different types of tasks is called versatility. Versatility means performing different kinds of tasks at one time. Okay. So computer is a versatile machine. Computer can perform different types of tasks at one time. Okay. Next, C. State true or false. Blaise Pascal developed UNIVAC. No, Blaise Pascal developed Pascaline, the early calculating device. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? UNIVAC. So this is false. Blaise Pascal developed UNIVAC? No, it is false. Next, the mill, store, reader and printer are parts of analytical engine. Yes, the mill, store, reader, printer are the parts of analytical engine. See, next, a computer is dependent on instructions given by the user. Yes, computer is a machine and computer need instruction to perform each task. है ना? So we can say computer is dependent on the instructions given by the user. Okay. Next, ENIAC was the first general purpose computer. No बच्चे, ENIAC was the commercial purpose computer. और यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? General purpose. So this is false. Next, third generation computer are portable. No, because third generation computer is still very large in size, है ना? So it cannot be portable, है ना? So this is false. Okay. Now we will revise these question answers in short. Okay. List any 5 early calculating device. Any 5 early calculating devices may be abacus, Napier's bone, Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machines, है ना? So any 5 early calculating device you have to write. Okay. Next, name 2 machines designed by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage ने कौन कौन सी 2 machine डिजाइन की थी? First, difference engine and second, analytical engine. ठीक है ना? Difference engine and analytical engine both are developed by Charles Babbage. Okay. Next, write any 3 characteristics of computer. तो कंप्यूटर की तो बहुत सारे characteristics है ना? See, यहाँ पे है ना? Speed, computer works on speed. Accuracy, computer never make mistakes. Diligence, computer never get tired. Versatility, a computer can perform different kinds of tasks at one time. High storage, computer can store lots of data and information, है ना? So any 3 of them you have to write. You may write speed, you may write accuracy, and third one versatility. Okay. So now next, see, give the features of the second generation computer. Second generation computer are smaller in size as compared to first generation computer. It use less heat as compared to first generation computer, है ना? Yes, it use, है ना? See, reliable and faster than first generation computer, smaller in size as compared to first generation computer, generated less heat as compared to first generation computer and consume lesser electricity as compared to first generation computer, है ना. You can write these 4 okay features. Okay, next, what is artificial intelligence? Just like human beings, है ना, can make decision. हम कुछ भी है ना सोच सकते हैं, डिसीजन ले सकते हैं, है ना. वी कैन परफॉर्म एनी टास्क बाय ओन सेल्फ. तो उसी तरह से आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इसी बेस पे है बच्चे कि कंप्यूटर जो है, मशीन है, उसने इस तरह से अपने आप को डेवलप किया है ह्यूमन ने कि वो इट कैन टेक डिसीजन ऑल्सो, है ना. और एग्जाम्पल्स सी इन मार्केट में दिस डेज हमारा गूगल नाउ है जो डिवाइस है, उसमें क्या होता है कि आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछो, इट विल आंसर यू, है ना. तो इसी तरह से कुछ एक डिवाइसेस अब मार्केट में हैं जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, है ना. मैं आपको 2 एग्जाम्पल्स बताती हूँ. सी इन योर बुक, इट इज ऑल्सो, इट इज गूगल नाउ, सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स, है ना. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. रोबोट्स are the example of artificial intelligence. Okay, so artificial intelligence में क्या होता है, machine can take decision, है ना, according to instructions given. ठीक है. So we can do the next revision, है ना, inside the chapters. Okay, so we will do this next day. Today this is enough for today. Okay, have a good day.